Troubleshooting Rogers business phone issues often starts with ensuring you have a stable internet or cellular signal. For internet connections, check your router and modem. A simple reboot can resolve many connectivity problems. If using cellular service, verify your signal strength through the Rogers My Account app and confirm your access point name settings are correct. Next, restart your phone and update its firmware to the latest version. Clear the cache to remove temporary files that might be causing issues. For call problems, test with a different device and disable Wi-Fi calling if you're experiencing issues on cellular networks. If voicemail isn't working, access it through the Rogers Business app or by dialing *98. Ensure the feature is enabled and that your storage isn't full. If network problems persist, run a speed test using Rogers Speed Test tool and try switching to a wired connection to isolate the issue. When basic troubleshooting fails, turn to the Rogers Business Phone Support Portal for guided fixes. This online tool categorizes issues into hardware, software, and carrier-related problems, offering tailored solutions for your specific setup. For further help, contact Rogers 24/7 support at 1-888-ROGERS-1 or use live chat. Prepare to share details about the issue, your account info, and steps you've tried. For persistent issues, Rogers may send an on-site technician, especially for hosted PBX systems. Minor issues resolve in 2 to 4 hours, but network-wide outages may take up to 48 hours. For prolonged downtime, check eligibility for credits under the Business Continuity Guarantee. Compensation is available for outages over 4 hours. Consider Rogers' cloud-based and hybrid solutions for greater resilience and reduced infrastructure reliance. By 2030, Rogers plans zero downtime architecture, making these services a smart choice now.